In front of me is Honor 9X Lite, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, just open your Play Store, then tap on More icon, and go to My Apps and Games. And under Updates, you'll be able to see all apps that are currently available for update. Here they are. And you can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon, like this. Let me stop it. Or you can update all apps at once by tapping on Update All. And then the latest versions of your apps will be applied. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.